down, whatever. Call me off whenever. I got time whenever now. You look great, however. This can't wait for the better. Let us talk forever now. Cause baby, you and I, we lay awake at night, trying to find a light to keep this fire alive. Oh baby, you and I, we can't deny this fight. Oh, this fight. I'm drowning in your arms, still I want it all. Cause I deny it, deny I am. Drowning in your arms, still I want it all. Cause I deny we're no good for each other.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share another glam DIY project. I'm taking some Kmart ottomans and making them into a designer fur look. I hope you enjoy. I've been drooling over these beautiful fur and gold ottomans, guys, but unfortunately they're just not available here in Australia, and they retail for anywhere between $200 and $300 US. I picked up these two pink ottomans last year at Kmart Australia. They were just $29 each, and as much as I love the blush pink, it was now time for a change. I started by picking up 2 pieces of gold cardboard from my local dollar store. What I'm going to do here is this is going to be the gold around the bottom of the ottoman. So what I'm doing is just measuring it around the ottoman first of all, and what we're going to do is cut it about 4 inches wide. Taking a pen, I mark where I feel it's going to sit right. Taking a ruler and a pen, I then traced straight lines, and it's going to be about 4 inches high. I then took some scissors and cut it out. Using that one as a template, I again traced another one and continued until I had 4 pieces. I was already loving how this gold craft paper was already giving my ottoman that designer look. As I'm about shopping on a budget, I decided to shop my own home for an old throw blanket that I could use for the fur to cover the ottoman. I had this fur throw for a few years now, and it had a few marks on it, but overall I knew I could use it for my ottoman. I measured the ottoman to size, bearing in mind that it didn't have to cover all the way to allow for the gold cardboard. I then took my scissors and I cut it out. I cut out 2 equal lengths for each ottoman. Taking my hot glue gun, I started on the first ottoman by using the gold cardboard, and I hot glued that in place. Once it was all secure, I then took the fur and I hot glued that around the ottoman. You're going to continue around until it is complete, trimming off any excess. I I was so loving how the ottoman was coming together, but now it was time to make the top. Turning the other ottoman upside down, I placed it on the floor, and taking some other fabric, I took a pen and I traced out a circle, probably about an inch wider than the actual thing itself. I then took some scissors and cut it out. Now, as you can see here, shedding does occur when you're cutting fur. That's the only downfall of doing a DIY like this, but I was really happy with it once it was all on each ottoman. I then trimmed off some excess, and taking my hot glue gun, I hot glued the top. I then started on my second ottoman, doing the exact same steps. The thing I love most about using hot glue on a project, guys, is there's very minimal damage. So in the event that I choose that I want to change this up again, it is very, very easy to take off and reapply something new. I absolutely love to share ideas with you on how you can get the designer look on a budget. I'm all about finding ways to shop my own home and find things that I can repurpose. Shop your own home, guys, where you might have that throw blanket you're no longer using, and you could turn it into your designer ottoman. Guys, I am obsessed with how these came. I took 2 inexpensive ottomans from Kmart and got that designer look that is so on trend at the moment that cost me next to nothing. I love decorating with fake fur, and here are my 2 DIY Z Gallery inspired fur chairs. Now I'll leave a link to that video down below. Again, these were covered with fake fur throws.
You look great, however, this can't wait for the better, 'cause now I got a clever mind. 'Cause baby, you and I, we lay awake at night, trying to find a light to keep this fire alive. Oh baby, you and I, we can't deny this fire. Oh, this fire. I'm drowning in your arms, still I want it all, 'cause I deny it. I am drowning in your arms, still I want it all, 'cause I deny we're no good for each other.
So guys, start shopping your own homes. Take a look at your beautiful ottomans. Maybe they need a makeover, or maybe you could look out for some really inexpensive ones, and then go through all your throw blankets that you're no longer using, because you can take both of these items and get the designer look that you're aiming for. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you to have a go at your very own glam designer inspired ottoman.
Bring me down, whatever, call me off whenever, I got time whenever now. You look great, however, this can't wait for the better, let us talk forever now.
Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Shell's Glam Home.
Oh, this fire.
until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.